Hi everyone, welcome to this live stream. So I don't know, first off, I'm not sure why the other live stream stopped. I didn't touch anything, I was asleep. And yeah, it just stopped on its own, so I'm not sure why. But, right now there's 8 severe weather warnings. Seven of them are severe thunderstorm, one of the tornado warning, one in Arkansas, 2 in Georgia, 3 in South Carolina, and 3 in Tennessee. Turn it off. So I want to take a look to see what the risks for today. So yeah, outlook summary for today, Thursday, May 9th. Outlook summary says very large hail, multiple sewer cells appear probable across parts of central Texas into the Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas vicinity. Thursday afternoon and evening, a broader corridor of severe hail and damaging wind potential will extend from East Texas into the lower Mississippi Valley and southeast. So yeah, tornado risk is 5%, and that has a 2% risk surrounding it. And that's mainly from, parts of Texas, Louisiana, and southern Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, the Florida Panhandle, northern Florida, as well as South Carolina. And then we have the 2% risk into eastern Tennessee, as well as southern and western parts of North Carolina. We also have 2% risk up here, portions of eastern, central, and northern Virginia, portions of West Virginia, as well as southeastern Indiana, as well as portions of Ohio, as well as southern and southwestern Pennsylvania, as well as portions of Maryland. Wind risk today 30%, and it's a very high risk, and then that has black little dot lines around it, and that 30% is over parts of Texas, Louisiana, southern Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, and also southeastern South Carolina. And that's followed by the 15% that's followed by the 15% that's in northern Florida, Florida Panhandle, Louisiana, Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, southern Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, Delaware. And then we got 5% wind risk in southern New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, West Virginia, Kentucky, Virginia, western North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, as well into Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas, southern, southeastern Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, both Florida. Hail is also 30%, and that also has black circle dot lines, which that means it could be very significant. We get some very large hail, and that's mainly over parts of Texas, northern Louisiana, and southern Arkansas. But we also have 15% risk around that for Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina. Looks like a little bit of northern Florida, the Florida Panhandle, as well as southeastern Oklahoma. And then we have 5% risk around that for Indiana, Ohio, parts of Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, West Virginia, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, eastern Tennessee, Kentucky, as well as looks like northern Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, southeastern Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida, northern Florida. And then outlook for tomorrow, Friday, May 10th. Isolated scattered severe thunderstorms appear possible Friday across parts of the southeast. Damaging winds should be the main threat. And that's 2% mainly over parts of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, southeastern North Carolina, as well as portions of northern Florida. Wind risk 15%, that's mainly over southeastern South Carolina, parts of Georgia and Florida, with 5% risk also in northern Florida. southeastern Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and southeastern and southern parts of North Carolina. And on May 11th, isolated strong distributed thunderstorm may occur Saturday across parts of West Texas. So yeah, West Texas 5% severe risk. And then Sunday, May 12th to Wednesday, May 15th, probability too low since those are several days out. I'll find out more about those days as we get closer to them. Still got a tornado watch in effect in northern Mississippi, Alabama, as well as parts of Tennessee. I do also want to take a look here at some of the reports. So first I'll probably look at this here, that article here a little bit later, but I want to look at some of the reports and the watches. Yeah, flash flood warning, 10 a.m. Central Time. And they have flash flood emergency till 10 p.m. Central last night. Yeah, still got this tornado watch till 10 a.m. Central Time for Fayette, Lamar, Marion, Walker, Winston, including the cities of Fayette, Haleyville, Hampton, Jasper, Solgent, and Vernon. And then, yeah, this one till Thursday 10 a.m. as well in Mississippi for Elkhorn, Calhoun, Chickasaw, Oklahoma, Itawamba, Lafayette, Lee, Monroe, Panola, Potomac, Prentice, Quitman, Tallahatchie, Chisholm-Go, Union, Yellow, Busha, through the cities of Aberdeen, Amory, Batesville, Boonville, Bruce, Calhoun City, Charleston, Clarksdale, Coffeyville, Corinth, Fulton, Houston, Ruka, Marks, New Albany, Alona, Oxford, Potomac, Tupelo, and Water Valley. We also have the flood watch in effect as well. Fortune, southeastern Carolina, including, Cherokee and Clay, eastern Tennessee, and the following areas: Anderson, Bledsoe, Smoky Mountains, Bradley, Campbell, Carbone, Crocker, Smoky Mountains. So yeah, you should definitely. Yeah, East Polk, Granger, Elbin, Hamilton, Hancock, Hawkins, Jefferson, Johnson, Knox, Loudon, Marion, McMinn, Meigs, Morgan, North Sevier, Northwest Blount, Northwest Green, Northwest Monroe, Rio, Rowan, Scott, Tennessee, Sequatchie, Sevier, Smoker Mountains, Southeast Carter, Green, Southeast Green, Southeast Monroe, Sullivan, Unicoi, Coyle, Union, Washington, Tennessee, West Polk, and Southeast Western Virginia, including the following areas: Lee, Russell, Scott, Virginia, West Virginia, and Wise. So yeah, Wednesday through Thursday morning, so the runoff may result in flooding of creeks, streams, and other low-lying prone locations. Creeks and streams may run out their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage in urban areas. Additional details are .gov/CC/flood. Question here is actions you should monitor. Their forecast be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action as flooding develop. Turnaround, don't drown, or encounter flood roads unless flood depth of the current vehicle is definitely. And then the flood warning we have up here, or it's a flood watch still. But yeah, definitely though, you definitely want to See flood road, definitely don't want to. Definitely want to turn around. Don't. Excuse me, I'm just really tired here, so. But yeah, definitely want to turn around, don't drown. Looking at some of the reports here. Yeah, definitely stay safe out there again. When you see a flood road, turn around, don't drown, please. Use some common sense, please. Even though common sense doesn't really seem to be all that common anymore in general, but please be smart and be safe. If you see a flood road, turn around, don't drown. But New Hope, Tennessee, hail reported a quarter size, 1 inch. Prospect, Tennessee, thunderstorm wind damage reported from the public. Trees down, mobile home demolished, tornado damage possible. I'm hoping everyone's okay there, safe. That sounds really scary. Humboldt, Tennessee, hail reported there, $50 size, 1.25 inches. Hermitage, Tennessee, thunderstorm wind damage from the public. Facebook photos show 2 trees snapped on Mount Juliet side of Percy Priest Lake. White House, Tennessee, hail report there. And then, flooding Gallatin, Tennessee, from Mercy Management, flooding in the vicinity of Upper Station Camp Creek Road and Liberty Lake. Hopkinsville, Kentucky, flash flooding. So street and road flooding, street and road closed, vehicles stranded. I'm hoping everyone's okay from that. That's also really scary. CADS, Kentucky, flooding report there, flooding on Old River Road, Donaldson Creek Road, Maple Grove Road, Oak Grove Church Road, and Moore Road across the county. So there's been a lot of flash flooding reports, as well as really heavy rain, and then a lot of hail reports, like in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and also a lot of thunderstorm wind gusts, thunderstorm wind damage reports, and also tornado reports. So hail corrects from previous hail reported from one south-southwest exile pictures of golf ball size hail sent to NWS near Route 68 and Mill Road. Time corrected. So we still got a whole bunch of storms. And we're still going to be dealing with the severe weather today. It's going to shift further east, but it's still going to be really nasty. So, and look at this flash flood warning here in Portland, Tennessee, for Sumner County. With a flash flood emergency till 10 a.m. Thursday, so it looks like they extended it. Thursday was 10 p.m., but 10 a.m. Flash flood emergency for Robertson and Sumner counties. A particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Excuse me, I'm just so tired. At 9:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicates thunderstorms producing heavy rain continues to impact the one area. Between 5 to 7 inches of rain have fallen, with rates up to 4 inches per hour. Dangerous flash flooding is ongoing and will continue throughout the night. Hazard life threat. So it's a flash flood emergency for Robertson, Sumner County. A particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard life threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms are producing flash flooding from the radar. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some located that experience flash flooding include Gallatin, Springfield, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Cougartown, Westmoreland, Ridgetop, Cross Plains, Portland, Olinda, Mitchellville, Cottontown, Oak Grove, and Bethpage. Cautionary paratacks move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you're fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't drown on kind of flooding road, move fully off current vehicles. So flash flooding, radar indicated flash flood Damage threat catastrophic, expected rainfall rate 2 to 4 inches in 1 minute. Wow. Yeah, so you're definitely going to have major flooding there. So they definitely move to higher ground now. And turn around, don't turn around, count on front road, most flood depths current vehicles. So yeah, this is extremely dangerous life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you're fleeing an area of subject to flooding or under evacuation order. Coming today's threat, severe weather expected to bring tornadoes, wind, hail, and flooding. So we're going to take a look at this article here. At a glance, severe thunderstorms will continue to hit parts of the south and east through Thursday. Tornadoes and damaging straight-line wind and very large hail are all concerns. Strong tornadoes are possible. Some areas flash flooding from heavy rain is also a big concern. An outbreak of severe weather will continue to hammer parts of the south on Thursday. Banging tornadoes, hail the size of a golf ball or larger, destructive straight-line winds. Heavy rainfall will produce flash flooding in many of the same areas as the risk for severe weather. We're tracking right now. Rain and thunderstorms are spreading through the south at this time. Several severe watches are in effect. Severe weather watches are in effect. The latest radar, along with any watches and warnings, are in effect in the map below. The risk of widespread severe weather is particularly from Arkansas to the Tennessee Valley. A line of severe thunderstorms will slide southeastward through that area overnight with a heightened chance of destructive wind gusts, large hail and tornadoes. Localized flash flooding is also a strong possibility. Severe thunderstorms have produced widespread wind damage and hail between Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Wilmington, North Carolina, and have produced dozens of tornadoes. Numerous tornadoes have caused damage in Middle Tennessee, northern Alabama, including the Columbia, Tennessee area. Rivers and creeks are also rising rapidly, especially north of Nashville, where a flash flood emergency was issued Wednesday evening. The tornado touched down near Huntsville, but the amount of damage is uncertain. Wednesday morning, storms dumped hail up to the size of Apple in the Kansas City metro, up to the size of up to tennis ball size hail in Pettis County, Missouri, and Rutledge. Tennessee, a tornado was saved by a park ranger late Wednesday morning west of Merrimack State Park in Missouri. Flash flooding was also reported in parts of Missouri and Tennessee, including some of the northern Nashville suburbs. We still has a tornado watch in effect for parts of Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee. And then we still got some severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings in Tennessee, Arkansas, as well as in Georgia and South Carolina. And this is at 3:30 a.m. Central Time. The latest multi-day barrage of severe weather fired up and up in the plains, Midwest and Mid-South. One day, excuse me, I'm just so tired. It then spread with its greatest impacts. It's the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley on Tuesday. Look at all the severe weather reports from this outbreak over the past few days. There's been at least 50 tornadoes confirmed by National Weather Service with space spotters, including EF4 that hit Barnsdall, Oklahoma Monday night, and serious damage from an EF2 tornado that hit Portage, Michigan on Tuesday evening. So yeah, all these reports here, stretching from the Great Plains and the High Plains, the Midwest, now into the Southeast. Severe weather forecast Thursday, early Friday morning. Severe weather is also likely on Thursday in portions of the Mid-Atlantic and the South. Wind damage and large hail are the primary concerns, but an isolated tornado threat cannot be ruled out. Parts of northern and central Texas, northern Louisiana, and central parts of Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia might have to contend with more concentrated severe weather threat. While everyone in that level 3 area mostly noted below in red, locally there may be some differences. Tornadoes are most likely in Georgia and Alabama early Thursday, and possible again by early Friday morning. Damaging wind gusts are most likely from northeastern Texas to southwestern Georgia, with some gusts over 75 miles per hour, from Thursday evening in Texas to early Friday morning across the deep south. Damaging hail most likely in central and northeast Texas, including Dallas, Fort Worth, and Austin metro area with initial storms that around Thursday evening. So yeah, severe thunderstorm forecast Thursday and Thursday night. And the three likely, that's going from parts of Texas, Louisiana, southern Arkansas, as well as Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, and then we got the 2% going from Delaware, Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, northern Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, Texas, and then the 1% marginal on southeastern Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, eastern Tennessee, western North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania as well. Friday, the chance of severe storm will continue to decrease, but it's severe weather and locally heavy rain might affect parts of the southeast to the end of this week. So yeah, two possible, mainly in southeastern South Carolina, Georgia, and parts of northern Florida, and then one marginal. Again, parts of northern Florida, southeastern Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and southeastern North Carolina. You guys have parents stay safe, but I know Weather Radio you can find you the most electronic retailers. The future warning alarm that can be set to sound loudly when any national weather threats, tornado, or severe thunderstorm watch or warning is issued. Smartphone can alert you. Most smartphones are capable of receiving wireless emergency alerts from your local National Weather Service office. It includes tornado warnings. Make sure your smartphone is charged digitally and left on overnight. Special tone vibration that will occur twice when a tornado warning is issued. Note, however, this is not sound for tornado watch or severe thunderstorm warning. Weather apps can also alert you. Many weather apps need the Weather Channel app can send alerts to your smartphone, tablet, or smartwatch. Know where to go, have a plan in place for you. Seek shelter. If your home has no basement, go to the lowest floor and get into a small center room, such as a bathroom or closet, or under a stairwell or an interior hallway with no windows. No way until you can see the twister. It will be difficult to see in the dark at night, or if it's wrapped in rain, move to a safe space when the warning comes. Yeah, I've been live streaming for 22 minutes now. Put that in the chat. I'm also going to put it in the description below as well. So yeah, definitely stay safe out there, everyone. Definitely take all precautions and to keep you safe and everyone else safe. And I'll see all of you next time. Bye, everyone. Stay safe out there.